Check it out! Today we've got a brand new toy. It's a pack of Minions from the Minion movie. These little guys look like a lot of fun, and even better, it looks like we have a ton of them to play with. Oh boy, I can't wait to start opening it up and getting to these Minions. Let's take a look. They come in a really cool box with all these little figures behind them. And now we're going to start opening. Here we go. First we take off the back. There we go. And now, when we peel this back, we can see the Minions and all of their cool scenes. That's pretty neat. It has a bunch of scenes from the Minion movie. I can't wait to see what kind of Minions we have in here. There's so many of them. Let's see what we have here. It's a caveman Minion. How cool is that? We also have an Egyptian Minion. Na 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 na. Ooh, this next one looks like a lot of fun. It's a pirate Minion. Yar, matey, yar. How cool is that? He even has a shiny metal sword. He looks like a lot of fun. Who's next? Ooh, this Minion looks pretty spooky. So spooky, I'm having a hard time getting him out. There we go. It's a Dracula Minion. Ooh, ooh. Just in time for Halloween. Ooh, this next one looks neat. It's a Viva la Revolution Minion. This little, oh, I dropped him. This little French soldier Minion is ready for the Revolution. Who's this? Ah, it's an Eskimo Minion. He's got a little parka to keep him from being too cold. And here is a modern day Minion. Oops, he popped right out. Is this Stuart or Kevin or Bob? I can never tell. I think this is Bob. Hi, Bob. Oh, looky here. We have a finely dressed British Minion. Yes, indeed. Oh, good day, sir. Top of the morning to you. Would you like some tea, perhaps? All right. So there's all of our Minion toys. Thanks for watching.